Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I wake up feeling sick and my throat hurts a lot today. I decide to go to the pharmacy near my house alone. I put on my jacket and take my small bag with money. The weather is cold, and I walk slowly to the pharmacy. When I arrive, I see many shelves with medicine and vitamins. A woman at the desk smiles and asks how she can help. I tell her I have a sore throat and a bad headache. She listens carefully and asks me some simple questions. She asks how old I am and if I have allergies. I answer her questions and try to speak clearly and slowly. She shows me some medicine for pain and throat problems. I look at the boxes and read the simple instructions. I ask which medicine is better for day and night. She explains how often I should take the medicine. I feel thankful because she speaks kindly and calmly. I also ask for vitamin C to help my body recover. She gives me a small box and puts it on the desk. I check the prices because I do not have much money. The total price is fine, and I decide to buy everything. I pay with cash and get a receipt from her. She puts the medicine in a small white bag. She tells me to drink warm tea and rest at home. I thank her and say goodbye before leaving the pharmacy.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
Outside, I feel relieved because I got the help I needed. I walk back home more relaxed and less worried now. At home, I read the instructions again very carefully. I take the medicine with water as the woman said. I make myself some hot tea with honey and lemon. I sit on the sofa and cover myself with a blanket. My throat still hurts, but I feel a little better. I decide to rest and not go out again today. Later, I take the second dose at the right time. I feel proud because I understand the instructions in English. In the evening, my headache is not very strong anymore. I eat a light dinner and drink more warm tea. I remember the pharmacy worker and her helpful advice. I set an alarm to take medicine the next morning. Before sleeping, I check if I feel any bad effects. Everything feels normal and my body feels calm. I go to bed early because rest is very important. During the night, I sleep better than I expected. In the morning, my throat feels less painful. I take my medicine again after breakfast at home. I feel happy because the pharmacy visit helped me. I decide to stay home and study quietly today. I drink water often and follow all the instructions. My energy slowly comes back during the day. I am glad I asked questions at the pharmacy. I learned new English words while buying medicine. I feel more confident speaking English in public places. In the afternoon, I feel well enough to smile again. I clean my room and open the window for fresh air. I still rest often and do not work too much. In the evening, I take the last dose for the day. My body feels warm and relaxed after the medicine. I think about how important pharmacies are for people. The workers help sick people every single day. I feel grateful for their patience and clear explanations. Before bed, I prepare my medicine for tomorrow. I read a simple book and relax quietly. My health is improving slowly and steadily now. I no longer feel scared about being sick. I know where to go when I need help. The pharmacy near my house feels familiar now.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.